Hello everyone, it's me Alex Torres Unboxing, and today I'm going to be showing you how to fix the problem on your Magic Sing ED-8000. So first you want to do is make sure you have batteries or you have your power AC adapter plugged in and any sound chips. So what you first want to do is take a look at the back of the TV first, or here. You are going to want to plug in the cable into the microphone, the arrow connected to there. And then on the back of the TV, have it plugged into the AV cables on the back and the power. But in my case, I am using batteries. So what you first want to do is plug in your television. Let me get you to the view of the TV. It depends what kind of TV you have. Here's my TV remote. You're going to push power while it turns on. Hello. So it turns on, and of course, since this is the AV cables, you need to make sure it's on AV. So you have to click on Source and go down to AV. As you can see, it says no signal. So, what you want to do is turn on your Magic Sing. It might not turn on right away. Once you click power, it should turn on. But since it looks like this, you might be thinking, oh no, it doesn't work anymore. It does. But in this case, right now, you could let me turn the volume. You can record. You push the button, and now you're recording. But then, in a minute, it's going to turn off by itself. So it might make you think more like, oh no, it doesn't work. So, oh, there it goes. So it's going to happen no matter what if you use the AC or the batteries. So what you first want to do, or turn it on, try without a song chip first. Take out the song chip. And we'll put that to the side. First, if it doesn't turn on, even with, like I did right now, take off the song chip. It might be the problem. And then turn it on now, without a song chip. So, and then what you want to do is press the mode button next to the play. And there. Now it's going to take you to the home screen. Here, as you can see, it says select. As you can see on the TV, it says select songs. So you're going to enter your whatever code you have, and you can push play. But since we don't have any song chips right now, we cannot do that. So you're going to want to turn it off, and let's insert our song chip. Then you're going to turn it on. It may act crazy while you insert the song chip. So what you first want to do, of course you have to do it when it's off. Even when you turn it on, it might do this. So it's either if you have it connected to the power back there, or here on the battery, take out the battery. Or unplug it. And then take out the song chip and redo it again. Put my back cover. And press power again. So here, it says now that you have a total of 170 songs. You could ignore everything else, and like I said, you're going to press down the mode button. It's going to take you back to here. So it's pink because, I don't know, something happened to it, so it cleared itself, so you're not going to have a background. If you want to get rid of the pink, you can push the exit video input, so it could be black, or it's up to you. I'll put it black right now so you can see my microphone. So here, now if you click down arrow, here are your songs. So these are the songs that we have, your own ones. So here, So as you can see, it's acting crazy. Oh, never mind. Okay, so you could choose a song now. Just for example, let me just lower the volume. Here you can now, here you could see volumes. You could change all that now. And then here, the tempo, you could do all that too. Oh, it just crashed. That may happen since it erased itself. Like I said, you're going to want to remove or unplug the AC power, or depending on your battery. To take out the battery, or you unplug the power. And wait for it to cool down a little when it shows no signal. And then you could turn it on again. So you can see the power. Okay, so then you're going to want to hold the mode button while it turns on again. And then you might get a different background like this. Don't worry about it. You could just enter your code, whatever code you have on your book, and push play. And then like I said, you could change the mic volume, tempo, key, and all that stuff. Even everything else. Once it's like this again, it still loads, but you're not going to be able to plug in anything to the video output. Like, you know, you could have put your DVD in the background. You're not going to be able to do that anymore because I think like it's all crazy. So yeah. And then yeah, that should be pretty much it. And also the score is not going to work anymore. Like, it's not going to tell you. Like an example, let me just turn this fast so you could hear. I'm just going to say, like, hello, this worked, and it's not going to tell you the score. It's going to say, like, you got 100. Hello, this works. It says not bad, but you're not going to be able to see the your score. So yeah, that's pretty much it. It should be fixed already. And yeah. And also, everything works. Like I said, music, you can lower the volume, increase. Main mic, you can lower the volume. Hello. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And yeah, that's a quick fix. You might think it doesn't work, but yes, it works. That's pretty much it for this video, and have a great day, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And leave in the comments if you have any questions or it might not work. And I could have another option for you. Have a great day.